Things have been absolutely crazy lately, and that's really the focus of today's video. Yeah, I got a new background again. This is all new to me too, as I'm just seeing it about 30 minutes ago. This was a congratulations gift from my family to me for hitting all the different milestones that we have recently on YouTube. I'm completely shocked and blown away by this setup renovation they've done while I've been on vacation, but they've done it, and it it looks crazy. Do not worry, I'm gonna do a full tour of all the renovations and all the new things to this incredible office space now. I have recently gotten a little bit of a spark under my channel, which is really nice to see, and I really want to take this time to pinpoint and show you guys what I did to get here and what it actually looks like when you have a spark like I've had recently. Number one, your family remodels your entire office while you're away on vacation for a month, so that might not always happen, but there are a couple things I want to talk about as we get into today's video. So if you're not too familiar with what's going on, I have been doing YouTube for about 2.5 years at this point. And in that 2 years time, I have posted consistently. I have streamed a ton. And it took me a really long time to even see a glimmer of any kind of success numbers wise. In the last month, I have gone from about 7-some thousand subscribers to almost 30,000 subscribers. That is stupid. Why do you guys subscribe to me? Though I might not know the exact reasons for why things have kind of been working out a little bit better recently, I do have a couple of theories, and I want to talk about them here with you today. I just want to say at the beginning of this video, thank you guys for being so genuine and great friends and supporting me through the entire time of me growing through YouTube. And I am more than excited to say that I'm not just growing my brand, but I'm growing such a great community with you guys. We're growing this thing at a very exponential rate as of the last month, and I'm excited to see where it takes us. So thank you so much for showing love on the videos. If you guys are new around here and you enjoy some of the content, consider subscribing. It's crazy to say this, but we are so close to 30,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to jump on the train, become a part of the family, feel free to do so today. I am more than happy to have each and every one of you here with me as we continue to grow the community and really try to instill more positivity in the lives of everybody that watches this channel. It's us together. We're doing this thing, and I appreciate you guys. So with that being said, I know you guys want to kind of get into the nitty-gritty of what everything looks like after you have a spark on YouTube. You might be wondering what I mean by a spark on YouTube, and basically I can describe this as a pretty big jump in subscribers in a short amount of time. Usually this comes off of a video getting into recommended and new people finding you. And in my case, I happen to have a video about 2 weeks ago where I mixed every single flavor of G Fuel. For some reason, no one knows why, YouTube saw this and was like, hey, we'll cut on his recommended switch. They cut on the switch, and the video was seen by over 300,000 people. Do you remember how many eyeballs that is? Think about a stadium with 300,000 people. Is there even a stadium that big? Biggest stadium. You can see, according to this website, the biggest stadium in the world can only fit 150,000 people. So double that, and that's literally what we've gotten in the last 2 weeks in views on that video. I want to break this down for what this means for my channel. How much revenue am I going to make this month from some kind of spark like this? How much money did that video in particular make? How many subscribers did we gain from this? And what do videos look like going forward now that I have a little bit of momentum? These are things I'm ready to address, and we're going to get right into it. So as I pull up this screen here, please know that this is not a typical month on YouTube for me. So I'm going to show you my dashboard screen, and we have a couple things to look at. So here you go. As you can see here, in the last 28 days, I can't even say it, we have gained 17,141 subscribers, roughly. That number is probably about 1,000 subscribers higher, but it hasn't updated yet. You can see my revenue for this month already, and the month isn't even over, is a little above $1,000. Now that's a really big deal for a channel like me, where I only make about $100 to maybe $200 every single month from YouTube. Hopefully this number and this revenue can continue, and I can grow that, and it means we can do so much more on this channel. I want to give away a lot of this revenue. I want to invest it back into the channel. I'm so enthusiastic about this growth because I know it means we can do so much with it for so many people. But as you can see, it's not typical because this is up by 483%. All of that is coming from about 541,000 views, and dude, that's a lot of views. It's crazy. So that's really cool information to have right there. We're gonna talk more about this here in a second, but let's dive into the video that brought everything to life here in the last couple of weeks at least. So as you guys can see here, I posted a video of me mixing together every single flavor of G Fuel that I had. This video is the one that kind of skyrocketed the last 2 weeks. So here is the revenue from the video. So you can see the video produced about $519 from around 314,000 views. This number would be a lot higher, but I said this in another video video where I kind of talked about revenue. The revenue was cut in half basically because of the fact that this video isn't 10 minutes long. I think my main focus as a YouTuber is not to drag things out. And you know, with exceptions, sometimes you have a video that's like 9 minutes long where you know you can get to that extra 10, but for 7 minutes, I didn't find it worth it to drag it out to 10. I'm not upset about that because I really hold true to my guns, and I don't like it when YouTubers hold things out. Granted, I'm not saying I won't ever do that, but for a video like this, I'm happy that I didn't drag it out, even if it meant less money. Because right now, I'm not really focused on the revenue YouTube can produce, but more or less the eyeballs we can get in front of. And this did exactly that. You can see 12,000 of our new subscribers came from this video being recommended to them. The revenue is second-handed to me, but that is exactly what the revenue looks like for a video with 314,000 views. I'm assuming the revenue from this video would have been around $1,000 had I made this video 10 minutes, but again, not about the revenue, more about the reach right now. All right, Future Dallas here, wanting to mention one thing actually while I'm editing this. I didn't mention how much the CPM was for this video, because obviously that's really important for the grand total of how much money this video made. My CPM for this video was only $3.62. That's really, really low. Yeah, that's just an important detail I wanted to add in there, so I'm gonna finish editing this and enjoy the rest of the video. The most important focus is that we are getting subscribers and we're building more consistent views, because this leads to more consistent income. I know some of you analytic nerds out there really want to know some stuff about my audience retention and where my audience is from. I can see what types of groups of people are watching my videos the most, depending upon gender or age or country. This right here kind of sucks because that means 98.5% of the people that have watched this are not subscribed. Luckily, the 1.2% of people that did watch it subscribe. But if you 98.5 don't mind hitting that button right now, that'd be great. And as you can see here, most of my viewership comes from the United States, the United Kingdom, but we have some other places mixed in here too. This video was recommended to a lot of people, man. And this video has only been up for about 2 weeks. I can only imagine how many views this will have lifetime in about a year from now. I'm really excited to revisit this in a year to talk about what it looks like then. But there it is right here. This is the video that gave me a spark for my channel and something I really want to run with. I think the most important thing now is that I know a lot of you guys are new subscribers and we're running with this momentum. I want to keep you guys entertained and make you feel like you're a part of this journey. So I want to show you what you did by watching this video. You all are the beginnings of sparking something in which I hope turns to be a full-time thing. Look, making YouTube videos and creating these things has always been my passion, and to see it get some kind of spark like this is super encouraging. Not only is having a video with 300,000 views really good, but I see in turn, I've posted like 5 videos since then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, I can count. I dropped out of college, but I can still count. And you can see here, the views have been really decent for these as well. Even videos that have more personal stuff like this Q&A here, or even a thank you for 10,000 subscribers, which, you know, we're a little bit above that now. These have in the thousands range, which is really what I'm aiming for, just to get every video within the thousands range right now. It did that. It gave me momentum so I can now have a little bit more consistency with everything else. So I want to talk about this here in particular. This is my last video I posted, which was only about 5 minutes long. It's a G Fuel video. They're a little bit shorter. It has 15,000 views in the first day or two of being up. Now, typically getting 1,000 views on a G Fuel video in a couple days was really good in my eyes. To see a G Fuel video on my channel get 15,000 in the first 2 days? I don't think you understand. It's really cool to see. It inspires me a lot. I know that the momentum that I have might not last forever, but I love capitalizing on these really cool things and seeing the benefits and progress we're making together. So you can see from the analytics of this video already, with 15,000 views in the first 2 days of being up, I've gained almost 130 subscribers and I made about 20 bucks from it. And you can see right here, this video got 775% more views than the usual performance of these kind of videos in the first 58 hours. It's very brief and to the point. I don't know how long this video will be exactly, but I wanted to break down what my revenue looks like from this month from having some kind of spark on my channel, what the subscriber count looks like in the last month from having a viral video, how much money that viral video made, and lastly, what kind of money and viewership can I expect after having a video that gave me that kind of momentum. I wish I could say I know what the future holds in terms of my channel with views and the momentum that we have now, but I don't. But to be completely honest, that's super exhilarating. It's very exciting. It pushes me to make even better content and to hopefully inspire you guys to make your own content as well. Some people might say I'm overreacting to how excited I am about this, but it's been 2 years and I'm seeing a little bit of life under something that I care so deeply about. So thank you guys for watching the videos and sharing everything. I want to be as transparent with you as possible as to how much money this makes. I'm not trying to hide anything, but that's just about everything. If there's anything else you guys want me to cover with this kind of analytic breakdown, if you guys want me to revisit this topic in a month's time or a couple months time, I'm more than willing to do that. So I'm hoping I'll have a setup tour pretty soon. I don't know how long it's going to be. It's still a shock to me that I'm sitting in this room. This is sick. In the coming months, I probably will be moving into my own place, so I'm going to enjoy this space while I have it. I enjoy you guys and the progress we're making. We're so close to 30,000 subscribers, so if you want to subscribe and join the family, you feel more than free to do so. If you have any other suggestions for videos, comment it down below or come tell me about it on my Twitch stream where I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and now in this really sick setup room I can't wait for you guys to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything in this video here today, and if you did and you don't mind doing so, go ahead and leave a sub-like-ment. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.